Wave and Zoho Books are two popular accounting tools for small businesses. For Canadian small business owners, choosing the right free or low-cost option matters a lot. Both systems promise to handle invoicing, expense tracking, and basic bookkeeping, but they take different paths. Here's how they compare and which might fit you better. Let's start with Wave. Wave is well known in small business circles for being truly free in many ways. If you're a solo business owner or very small team and you do not need complex features, Wave offers invoicing, receipt scanning with mobile app, expense tracking, and financial reporting, all at zero software cost. Because of this simplicity, many Canadian freelancers, consultants, and micro-businesses use Wave to keep overhead minimal. Wave also supports Canadian businesses with features tailored to local needs, such as Canadian dollar currency support, HST tracking, integration with bank feeds, in paid version for Canada, and more. The user interface is straightforward. You can log in, send invoices, track payments, and see your profit or loss without wading through lots of settings. For a business just getting started, Wave allows you to avoid subscription costs and still maintain basic financial hygiene. Now let's look at Zoho Books. Zoho Books is part of a larger suite of business applications from Zoho and offers a free tier for small businesses, especially those under a certain revenue threshold. It provides invoicing, expense tracking, bank reconciliation, reporting, and in some plans, automation workflows. If you are willing to work within the limits of the free tier, Zoho Books gives you a stronger foundation for growth. Canadian users will need to ensure the plan supports the features you need, but the system is quite capable. Zoho Books' strengths are in its scalability and workflow customization. As your business grows, you can upgrade within the Zoho ecosystem and link your accounting with CRM, project management, and other tools. This makes it a very attractive choice if you see your small business expanding and want a system that won't need to be replaced soon. Additionally, Zoho Books may offer better automation or integration options compared with entry-level Wave. In short, Wave is best for most very small businesses who need simple accounting now and minimal cost. Zoho Books is best for small businesses that want a free entry point but with stronger growth potential and integration. Either way, making sure your accounting system works smoothly and supports your workflows is more important than picking the perfect one. Choose the one that fits your current size, goals, and who you will be in the next year.